Does the sound of my voice get on your nerves?
I
Right
know,
about
right?
now, I'll bet you feel pretty silly putting all that money into
Yes,
your
bro,
IRA.
yes.
Smells
Yes.
like chicken. This is surprisingly satisfying. Thanks.
It smells
Whoa,
like carrot
walls are
cake.
melting. Groovy. Video games don't kill people. I do. Have a nice day. Gee, I hope nobody is taping this. Guess I better find the drop.
So like the other guy left, and now we have this guy. Oh.
Look at the nice weather outside. Oh my gosh, like it's incredible.
Coca-Cola in the
Yes.
IV bag.
Weather to just with a good book.
How was y'all day? Like, I want to know.
I have oh.
What's a guy gotta do to get a Philly cheesesteak and some head from a goth girl around here?
Oh, yo. Wow. Oh my god.
Gee, I hope nobody is taping this.
I'm screen recording.
Smells like chicken. I suppose it would have been more minorities first. Ooh, mommy.
Flexing my ears.
Have a nice day. You maniacs, you blew it up. Oh, wait, you probably knew I was gonna die today. Surprise. No, really, does the sound of my voice get on your nerves? Definitely some inbreeding going on here, mommy. Ooh, mommy. All out of cash. I'm not racist.
It's all inside that shell till the rotting comes away by the power of the can't you get a hold of yourself? Get on out there, won't you give them hell till you've shown them all every bit of you, babe. Maybe you can set them free.
Geez, whoever designed this down was on serious crack.
RTD format. RTD format.
RTD format.
RTD format.
RTD format.
RTD format.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'm
But none of them went out. And as the years go by,
Wait, hold up. Okay, so I have VC. Can you hear me?
You end up alone for that.
I've been on, down, shaken, around, cracked like an egg, and kicked in my nose. For me.
I used to be nothing but the email guy. Now I'm stop! Help me! It's birds! God, I'm past that damn I'm gonna superstar and get on the path to the big one. I'll get so. Me? Friends?
What? He's doing Michael. Oh my god.
Rocky Slash.
So start the game, there's nothing left to lose. I'm gonna beat you so hard. Aside the odds that I'm missing. Not running out of time. Afraid I'm terrified of all we're missing. You know we cannot wait now. Who made me breath and terror? I know it's not an error, but even still I feel there in the action. That's the troop of ghosts. Together we the force. But baby, don't you know it's not
Oh.
You said you let it go, well, baby, did you emptied out your heart? Never let us on your head, that opens up the scars.
What's a guy gotta do to get a Philly cheesesteak and some head from a goth girl around here?
Oh.
I don't have time to play hide and seek.
You maniacs, you blew it up. Oh wait, that was me.
Huh?
Nice to meet you. I am Cletus. My hobbies include hunting and hanging out with my son Cletus. My son Cletus actually died in a hunting accident. Oh boy, ain't that the story? Damn, boy. Hello, everybody. It's your boy Cletus here. Going to teach some of y'all uncivilized city folks how to catch them pigeons.
Oh, what do we have here? A gigantic, soulless, orange infant. Two rotary phones. A sock puppet. The purple Muppet baby that
They're
the
eating
world
my flesh.
tries to forget. And the duck.
Sorry to keep you waiting. Hey, Falling. It is me, Flowery. Sharona. Michael! Super fan.